Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings and getting straight to screen time or digital well-being. This skips wasted navigation. Once there, authenticate if required so you can access today's data. Make sure your device is charged enough to complete checks and that any work profiles are visible. You're now positioned at the Usage Hub. Proceed to the Usage Overview to pull up today specifically. If your phone asks to combine device accounts, decline for a focused view of today's activity. Once done, tap into the detailed activity screen and change the summary to day view so you see only today's numbers. You'll read total screen time at the top, then scan the ranked app list to learn where minutes went. Make sure to check unlocks and notifications listed below. That explains interruption patterns. While you scan, note any unusually high app durations so you can adjust limits later. Take a mental snapshot of the primary offenders before moving to controls. Now act. Apply app limits or schedule downtime right from the screen to curb today's heavy apps and enable weekly reports for trend tracking. If you need proof or want to share, screenshot or export the report and verify sync if you use multiple devices. If today's data looks wrong or is missing, toggle screen time or digital well-being off and on, or restart the device. That usually forces a reindex. If problems persist, check account, sync settings, and repeat the check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.